I'm Ira Maurer, founder of the Maurer Law Firm, which is located in Fishkill, New York, in the heart of the Hudson Valley. Welcome to our website. At the Maurer Law Firm, we represent clients who live in the northeast region of the United States, who've become victims of a serious injury due to a motor vehicle accident or some other type of traumatic event. At the Maurer Law Firm, it's our belief that every client needs to be educated about their injury and how the legal process works. Unfortunately, many of our clients who've been injured in a rear-end or head-on motor vehicle accident suffer traumatic brain injuries. The effects of car accidents can be devastating. Not only can your vehicle be totaled, but you and your passengers may be severely injured as well. The results of a car accident can last a lifetime, as the injuries suffered may impact your life and the life of your family. This is especially true for traumatic brain injuries, also known as TBI. At the Maurer Law Firm, we have extensive experience representing clients who've suffered all types of traumatic brain injuries. Some of the different types of brain injuries do include concussions, where there may or may not be a loss of consciousness, epidural hematomas, which commonly result from bleeding caused by a skull fracture, and which can cause the patient to experience alternating lucid and unconscious states. A subdural hematoma occurs after a head impact when a blood vessel on the outer surface of the brain tears, allowing blood to collect between the membranes that surround the brain. An intraventricular hemorrhage often accompanies other types of intracranial hemorrhages and is caused by severe head trauma. And a diffuse axonal injury, which results from a traumatic rotation of the head, is present in 30 to 40% of people who die from a traumatic brain injury. Traumatic brain injuries cause ruptured blood vessels, contusions, and other kinds of brain damage. The consequences of TBI can have lasting effects for years to come that involves physical and psychological therapy, as well as placing a financial burden on you and your family. That's why it's important to know the signs and symptoms of a TBI so that you can see a doctor immediately to quickly diagnose and treat the injury. TBIs may not show symptoms right away. Mild TBI symptoms may include headaches, confusion, lightheadedness, dizziness, blurred vision or tired eyes, sensitivity to light, ringing in the ears, a bad taste in the mouth, fatigue, change in sleep patterns, behavioral or mood changes, and trouble with memory, concentration, attention, or thinking. A person with moderate or severe TBI may show these same symptoms, but may also experience a headache that gets worse or does not go away. Repeated vomiting or nausea may occur. Convulsions or seizures can happen. An inability to awaken from sleep. Dilation of one or both pupils of the eyes. Slurred speech. Weakness or numbness in the arms or legs. A loss of coordination. And increased confusion, restlessness, or agitation. As you might imagine, a concussion or closed head injury may have a permanent impact on the quality of your life, as well as the lives of your family members. Thankfully, medical science is always progressing, and medical care and cognitive rehabilitative services can make a positive difference in the lives of many people who suffer traumatic brain injuries. Anyone with signs of moderate or severe TBI should receive medical attention as soon as possible. Because little can be done to reverse the initial brain damage caused by a head trauma, medical personnel try to stabilize an individual with TBI and focus on preventing further injury. Imaging tests help in determining the diagnosis and prognosis of a TBI patient. Patients with mild to moderate injuries may undergo skull and neck x-rays to check for bone fractures or spinal instability. For moderate to severe cases, the imaging test used is a CAT scan. This concludes part 1 of our traumatic brain injury video. For more information, please visit our website at maurerlaw.net or call the Maurer Law Firm at 845-896-5295 to schedule a free in-depth consultation to review your personal injury claim today. At the Maurer Law Firm, we treat your injuries and the impact they have on you and your family personally, as if our own lives depend on it.